So hello students, so let us start with a trick, short trick. Believe me students, you never heard about this type of trick before and it can solve very difficult problem in a very simple way. So the trick is method of images. Yeah, this method can be used for boundary value problems students, in which we are asked to find the electrostatic potential which result from a given charge configuration in the neighborhood of an array, or we can say arrangement of the grounded conductor in the region outside the conductor. What is the meaning of grounded conductor? So let us start with the small points. Firstly, where it is used and a diagram. Yes student, this is the diagram and this is used for the boundary value problems, in which we are asked to find the electrostatic potential student. Okay, electrostatic potential which results in a given charge configuration. Okay student, so here the grounded conductors, this is the grounded conductors. What is the meaning of grounded conductors? The meaning of grounded conductor means grounded conductor. This trick is applicable for the grounded conductors, infinite long wire that is in grounded conductor. The meaning of this grounded conductor is electrostatic potential must be equal to 0, or we can say it is said to be 0. And such a problem can be solved by reducing to an equivalent simpler problem. We begin to remove by removing this conductor and then introducing a new auxiliary system of charges like this. This is the image of this particular diagram. Okay student, this is equivalent to, this is the electrical image of this charge. So taking an example, if we are asked to find the force between an infinite earth conductor and charge q at perpendicular distance L. Okay, placed charge q at a perpendicular distance L. Okay student, from the earth conductor, this is the earth conductor. Now this type of question can be solved. First, the procedure is the conductor being earthed implies potential is 0. Okay, means the potential is 0. Okay, so we redraw this situation. This is the redraw situation in which we replace the conductor and introduce an image that is minus q. Now the force between these two charges is the electrostatic force. Okay, now this makes the question very easy. Now as we know the formula of electrostatic force, what is the formula of electrostatic force? We can directly solve this type of question like electrostatic force. This is equivalent to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square, means q square upon r square. R is L plus L, 2L means 4L square, 2L square, 2L whole square means 4L square. And this type of force is attractive in nature. Sorry, F is equal to k q1 q2 upon 4L the square, and this is type of force is attractive in nature. This is, now look how easy it is. Now taken another example which is a typical example. Now this is the question, that is a small ball is suspended over an infinite horizontal conducting plane by means of an insulating elastic thread of stiffness k. As soon as the ball was charged, it descends by x and its new separation from the plane becomes equal to L. Find the charge of the ball. Now here is the diagram. Now this is the diagram. This is the small thread, sorry, infinite horizontal conducting plane by means of sheet. This is the conducting plane. Okay, and the separation between these two is L, from infinite conducting plate to this source charge. Okay, as it is given, a small ball is suspended over an infinite horizontal conducting plane by means of insulating elastic thread. This is the insulating elastic thread having stiffness k. As soon as the ball was charged, it descends by distance x, and the new separation from the ball becomes equal to L. Okay, becomes equal to L from the plane. Here from the plane becomes equal to L. This is the plane and the separation becomes equal to L. Now this is the image diagram of this particular charged ball. That is, if it has charge plus q, then it has charge minus q. Okay, now let us solve this question. Now as we know, electrostatic force, it must be equivalent to spring force. Okay, this is spring force. It means the value of electrostatic force is equal to K. Now electrostatic force is equivalent to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. This is very easy. K Q1 means 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon R square means 2L the whole square. It must be equivalent to Kx. What we have to find? Find the value of charge. Here is the value of charge. This must be equivalent to 4L under of pi epsilon naught Kx. Now you can see how easy the question is. Now let us take one more example. Now the question is, the 2-point charges Q and minus Q are separated by distance L, both being located at distance L by 2 from an infinite conducting plane. Find modulus of vector of electric force. First point is electric force acting on each charge. Second is modulus of electric field strength at midpoint between these two charges. This is one of the typical question, we can say. Now it can be solved in a very easy manner. Now here is a conducting plane, we can say. There are two charges. First is plus Q and here is minus Q. As there are two charges plus Q and minus Q, they are separated by distance L. We can say this distance is L by 2 and L by 2. Okay students, so whole distance is L and charge is minus Q. Okay, this is the conducting plane. This is the conducting plane. Okay, infinite conducting plane. Now again, next is they are located at distance L by 2 from an infinite, and the separation between these 2 points is, that is L by 2. Okay student, this is the conducting plane. Okay, conducting plane. Now let us draw a image, that is method of image. So this is L by 2. So again here is a distance which is L by 2 and there is a charge which is located at this point, that is minus Q. Plus Q, we take the opposite charge in image. Minus Q, we take the opposite charge in image. It is same as that in geometrical optics. We used in geometrical optics, image in geometrical optics, or we can say also called Gaussian ray optics. Okay, and this is charges minus Q and it will become plus Q. Now it is very simpler. The modulus of vector of electric force acting on each charge. Let us take this charge. Because magnitude is same in terms of magnitude. In terms of magnitude both are same. So we can solve one, and this is the value and the other value will be same. Okay, we will find one value. Now the force acting on this charge, because of this positive charge plus Q, the force is like this, that is F Q. Now because of this negative charge, the force is like this. Okay, this is the force, and because of this positive charge, the force is like this. Okay student, positive outward. Okay, now you can solve this term very easily. You have already done. Now I can directly write the answer. This will be equivalent to, now for this charge F minus Q, firstly for this charge, this is F Q1 Q2 upon R square. This will be equivalent to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, means Q square upon L square, and this is K Q square upon L square, K Q square upon L square for this charge, and K Q square upon L square for this charge. Now this is the resultant force of these two forces, and this will become K Q square upon L square, K Q square upon L square. This will become under 2 K Q square upon L square. Okay student, now this force is equivalent to K Q1 Q2 means Q square upon the separation between these two charges, and the separation between these two charges, this is L, this is L, so this will become under root of L square plus L square under 2L. Okay, so under 2L the whole square. So the net value will be equivalent to F is equal to under 2 K Q square upon L square minus Q square K Q square upon under 2 L the whole square. Now this is very easy, you can solve in a very easy manner. This will become Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 2, we can take the LCM, that is equivalent to 8 pi epsilon naught L square 2 root 2 minus 1. This is your final answer. You can see how easy now the question is. Now similarly you can calculate the value of electric force. Okay, you can in the similar manner you can find the value of electric field strength at this point. Okay student, this is up to you how to calculate the value of electric field. I can directly write the answer. This will become 2 times 1 minus 1 by 5 root 5 Q upon pi epsilon naught L square. This is the value of electric field. Okay, this is all about in this short trick. Thank you so much students.